All right, I'm here in Cedar Park, Texas, and you know what? I'm in the mood for a beef sandwich, so I want a sliced brisket sandwich. So I'm here at Stiles Switch Barbecue and Brew. So let's check it out and see what it's all about. All right, so what do you think? Look at that. That is beautiful, right? You got the sliced beef brisket right there, the sausage. Look at that rib. It's a nice looking rib. Some beans, the sauce, and my drink. Yeah. Look at that. Man, what do y'all think? That pretty good or what? Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Man. Taste that pepper. Oh yeah. That's a little kick to it. That's good. Uh-huh. Look at that. What do y'all think? That good or what? The sausage. I love sausage, so let's see what it tastes like. You know, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I taste the pepper on it. It's pretty good. All right. Yep. So I got pickles in it, jalapenos. So cheers. Oh man, that's good. Toasted bun. That's good. I really am digging the sausage. It's pretty good. The rib time, beautiful, right? Bite through. Oh yeah. It's good. It's good. I think it's a lot better tasting than Terry Blackstown and Lockhart. Beans. Beans are good. They got a kick to it. I wonder what, when I see a pepper in there, I wonder what it's made with, because it is a little spicy. Spicy but good. That is nice. Well, it's starting to sprinkle. We got some rain coming today and tomorrow. But this is what it is right now. It's starting to get busy right now. They opened up at 11 and I got here around 11:20. Yeah. Yep. But I'm telling you, so far I've really enjoyed the sausage. I really have. And this bun right here is fantastic. Toasted and so soft. But let's try out the sauce. It's okay. Kind of bland. Nah. I thought it was gonna be tangy. Nah. But these beans are real good too. Do that, I already devoured it. Uh-huh. Well, I don't know if you can hear it now, but it's raining. It feels so good outside, though. Oh man, I'm getting there. I'm getting full, but I'm gonna finish it. They're real good. The jalapeno. What do I think? Nice smoke ring for the ones who care about smoke rings. Is it up to your standards? Is it good? Man, getting to it. The last of the bean. All right, let's finish off this beef sandwich. Oh yeah. All right. That's all that's left. This is all that's left. It's fantastic. So good. Flavorful. The bark. Oh yeah. It's tender, like the right amount of pepper too. It's awesome. It's real good. Taste that fat. Oh man. Gone. It's done. All right. So let me break it down. The rib is good, but I've had better. Still eatable, but I've had better. Sausage is good. It's real good. Considering that, I love Lockhart sausage. So with this sausage, it's good. It's not up there with Lockhart sausage, but it's good, real good, compared to other sausages I've eaten outside of Lockhart. It's good. The sliced brisket sandwich, that was good too. The bun, great, tasted good. It was toasted. Oh yeah. It had jalapenos, pickles. It was real good size. A lot of meat in it. It was real good. Yeah, so it was real good. Yeah. Let me. Let me break it down on the price. So, Stiles Switch, BBQ and Brew, Cedar Park. So it is right there, $34.32. So it's I'm pretty sure people say it's a little pricey, but hey, that's just how it is, right? But yeah. So with that, it's time for me to head out. I got a long way to drive back home. So, as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And smoke on, everyone.